Welcome to Features Online, RSWDL installation case for skilled technician. This tutorial will teach you how to install RSWDL using Features Online. The main objectives of this case are RSWDL installation, digital repair. Meet the main characters. Tom, the customer, calls the repairing dealer Alice for campaign installation on his truck built in 2017. Alice gets the request, secures safety for the remote work, and installs the requested features, checking the truck remotely. Alice connects to Features Online from the Trucks portal. She enters the vehicle ID and clicks to validate. Then she has to read the RSWDL pop-up, click on Enable RSWDL, read the description and the safety recommendation, click on Select. After this, she should check the correct feature name requested, enter the work order number, tick Pre-approval of cost, click on Send Order. She checks the sent order from Central Systems to the truck. She waits until the order is set to Ready for Activation mode. Alice now calls Tom to confirm that the connection software is ready in the truck. She ensures Tom and the truck are safe for the update. Tom launches the update. Then Alice can check the installation live until the successful message is displayed. She can now check the truck status and update the truck. Alice can click on Not Connected button to get the truck status. Check the consistency. Check the vehicle equipment. Check the correct connected service contract. Check the battery state. Note the odometer values. She clicks on Retrieve DTC from Vehicle tab. She checks DTC from Vehicle and readout times and notices there is no fault code. Before campaign installation, Alice checks the Program Control Unit tab. When RSWDL is installed, she checks the vehicle conditions are good. No fault code has been found, the truck is ready to be updated. Alice can follow the installation live using Features Online until the successful message is displayed. To complete the work order, she can check if no fault code remained, apply additional features if requested. The truck is now connected to the dealer using Features Online. Because the truck is repaired, Tom can set off and Alice can close the case. Features Online digital repair tool enables quick diagnosis and repair, out-of-service truck avoided, uptime for customer.